policies. Everybody thinks the market's headed lower.
Yes, but instead we could be bottoming, maybe this week.
And this is the choppiness you were talking about. And, I think...
Guys, let me tell you what, he's very close, but I don't believe we're there yet because my indicators are saying that we should expect another 2 to 3% pullback in the NASDAQ. So initially, I got a bottoming signal at 489 on the triple Qs. However, that signal became invalid because buyers could not get a candle to close above 503, confirming the reversal. Based on the double rejection, you can see that 503 was a very important level. Now today, once the Nasdaq had a candle close below 476, this was a clear signal that the Nasdaq wanted to go lower towards 462 and possibly 458. Guys, in times like these, all that is required is a little bit of patience. If you are dollar cost averaging into your favorite stocks or ETF, you will see the light at the end of the tunnel once this market turns around. Now let's take a look at the levels that you need to watch on the triple Qs. So currently the triple Qs have support at 470. Below 470, you have support at 462 and at 458. Above 470, you have resistance at 482 and 490. Now, while the Qs are making lower highs, the RSI on the other hand is making higher lows. In technical terms, it's called a bullish divergence. This usually indicates that we are nearing a price reversal. Once we bottom, I'm looking for a run back to 538 in the triple Qs. Now let's jump to ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. So from its recent high of 490, Tesla is currently down 55%. So I have been studying Tesla stock for some time now. And almost every time when we see a pullback that exceeds 50%, it's not long after that we see a massive rally back towards the upside. With that statistics on my side, any pullback in Tesla's share price is an opportunity for me to gather up shares. Currently, Tesla stock has support at 215. If Tesla breaks below that level, I want you guys to watch the next support at 195. Now above 215, Tesla has resistance at 246. If the stock can get above that level, you have resistance at 300 and at 325. With Tesla stock inside of this bullish wedge, once we get a breakout, the stock could have a run up to $494 per share. The next ticker is NVDA. Since its lows from October of 2022, at highs, NVIDIA stock was up over 8,000%. Today, the stock is still up over 800%. Those who were short the company lost a lot of money, and those who were long made millions. In my opinion, based off the technicals, NVIDIA is gearing up for another run towards the upside. Guys, the AI boom is far from over, with companies like Meta investing over $65 billion to power its AI goals. So currently NVIDIA is getting rejected at 109. Below 109 you have support at 103 and at $96 per share. Now above 109 you have resistance at 117 and 124. The stock can get above 124 and hold above it. Look for NVIDIA to have a run towards $142 per share. The next ticker is AMZN, Amazon. In my opinion, Amazon stock is currently signaling a great buying opportunity. With the majority of Americans shopping on Amazon, this to me is a stock worth looking into. So current support for Amazon is at 192. Below 192, your next support is at 186. Now above 192, you have resistance at 197, 201, and at 205. Once Amazon can get above 201 and stay above it, I believe the stock will have a run up to $257 per share. The next ticker is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. So AMD bulls are currently losing support at $97 per share. If they fail to recapture that level, they must now look to defend support at $91 per share. Now, if they get above 97, they must aim to break resistance at 100 and at 105. Once the bulls take full control of the stock, look for AMD to hit $153 and $200 per share. The next ticker is SMCI, Super Microcomputer. Now, with the stock having an identical pullback to the one that created the right shoulder, I believe SMCI is providing an opportunity for investors to make some money in the stock. So as long as they can manage their risk above $33 per share. So currently SMCI has support at $36 per share. If the stock fails to stay above $36, your next support is at $33 and $30 per share. Now above 36, you have resistance at $41 and $44 per share. Overall, I'm looking for SMCI to hit $72 per share once the stock gets moving to the upside.